For number 31, it's very important that you remember that you're taking an SAT and sense the difficulty of this question. So just to clarify, the SAT math sections generally go from easiest to hardest, but there is an exception along the way. This is the calculator section. So in the calculator section, we have 30 multiple choice questions. And as we go through those, they go from easy to hard. The first one should be really easy. Number 30, the last multiple choice question, should be very hard. But then the section also includes, actually let's put that down there, the section also includes 8 grid-in questions, 31 to 38. Free response, sometimes they're called. And these are the ones where you don't have choices, you have to bubble in your answer, and the difficulty resets, meaning that number 31 is supposed to be easy. So if we know that, even though this story sounds really complicated, we should know it's supposed to be easy. Why is that helpful? Well, that just means don't get too drawn into the story. Just go with something really easy. Try an easy step and see if it works. And so this is a great case where just do whatever comes to mind. So they're talking about an $800 trip. They're dividing it equally. 2 of the friends decide not to go. Those remaining still divided the $800 equally, but each friend's share of the cost increased by $20. How many friends were in the group originally? Well, okay, just take 800 and pick a number to divide into it. So you're not going to pick something weird like 17. You're going to pick a number that just makes sense with the number 800. So the first thing that comes to my mind is 10, right? Let's divide by 10 people. So that would mean, well, $80. And so, okay, what happens next? Well, 2 people, I didn't underline this before, 2 of the friends decide not to go. So, okay, if we have 10, now we have 8. And what happens if we divide 800 by 8 people now? That's now each person pays $100. So does this satisfy the condition? Yeah, there's an increase of $20 as stated in the question. So how many friends were in the group originally? 10. That's it. If you had guessed a different number to start, it wouldn't have worked, but then you just pick a new number. This is a good example of don't overthink things. If a question's supposed to be easy, the solution is going to be easy. Notice I'm not making an equation. I'm not doing algebra here. I'm trusting in the SAT. I know that it's going to be a much easier question than the actual text of the answer leads on. Okay, so trust in the test. The more practice tests you take, the more confident you can get that these patterns hold from test to test to test. It really does save you a lot of mental energy on the exam.